Oh no, my Chanel has run out. Okay, I need to get a new perfume on the go. I need to get ready really quickly because I need to be out the door in like 30 minutes. From towel to outfit in 30 minutes and makeup. Can I do it? Guys, I made it. I'm ready to go. I'm having a bit of a grey day today. I'm wearing my grey kind of oversized jumper, my grey Topshop coat, my grey Levi's jeans, and then try and show you like some grey, greeny, khaki coloured suede June boots. So I actually do really love grey though. Grey and black are my favourite clothes colours in clothes. Oh god, guys, I've got to go anyway. You know what I mean. I've got 1 minute to get out the door because I'm gonna miss my train. So I'll see you guys later on. Bye. Hey guys, get a bit closer. Hey guys, so I'm back from home. You can always tell when I'm back from home. See, you can tell that I've been at work all day because I say really silly things like I'm back from home when I'm already home, but I am back from work. That's where I am back from. I don't know why I'm doing this scarf up when I should really be taking it off, but let me leave it on for a second and then talk to you. What is this? What is this? Oh god. Do you guys find by the end of the day that most of your makeup is gone? Like, I can't really see much makeup on my face anymore, but it's okay. What was I going to talk about? I'm tired. This week I have been, I know, I'm sorry I always say I'm tired, but obviously I'm tired. I have an hour's commute to work, an hour's commute back, and obviously when I'm there I'm just like, my clocks are ticking all day, every day, just thinking about marketing ideas all the time. But today I am home a bit early. It's nearly 6 o'clock and I'm home, and it's so nice. It feels so nice. It's even light outside. I mean, I haven't been at home in ages when it gets light, when it's still a little bit light outside. It's starting to make me feel a bit springy and summery actually, which is exciting. So what I'm going to do tonight, I've decided that even if I'm tired, I'm going to go to the gym, because I haven't been to the gym Monday or Tuesday, and I actually really like going to the gym at least every other day, if not every day. So I try to go to the gym, what, 4 times a week, 5 times a week if I can. This week so far, we're starting on Monday, I haven't been at all. So Monday and Tuesday I haven't been. Today I'm going to go now, and then maybe tomorrow morning, because tomorrow night I'm going to Disham with my 2 girlfriends. And I'm really looking forward to that because I love Disham. Which of you guys love Disham? And if you've been to Disham, what is your favourite dish? Comment below because I would love to know. Mine is the black dal. I also love the lamb chops, and I love the ruby chicken. Oh man, delicious. If you do not live in the UK but you're planning a visit to London, go to Disham. What I was thinking of doing actually was a revolution makeover. When I say revolution, you guys know what I mean. I mean the revolution palette. I'm just trying to get one out. So revolution palette, this is my latest one. I think I showed you reloaded neutrals too, but I have a lot of revolution stuff. Like I have a bronzer, I have a baking powder. What I don't have actually is something for the lips and maybe for the skin, but I could try and do a makeup look just using revolution products, just because I think they are just so good and so affordable. I'm so impressed with them. Every time I go into Superdrugs, I end up buying something else from the Revolution range because they seem to have so many new products. Every time I go in, there's something new that I really like, and it's just so well priced. Like a palette for £4, I literally cannot resist. I'm like, it's only £4. I don't need any more makeup for sure. But I'm always tempted in by them. Another question I have for you guys. Let me wheel. Okay, so the question I have is, has any of you guys even got this Touche Eclair Blur Perfector? Now, this is probably the most beautiful packaging of any makeup I've ever seen. So basically it's like that. I just want to know, how do you use this? Where do you use it? I've watched a few tutorials, but I'm still a little bit unsure how it actually works. So I've left it in the box for now because I know you guys will know, so please tell me below. Now, I know it's kind of for pores and a primer. Do I put it on before I put on my glowy stuff, my glow, my foundation? Do I put it on before or do I put it on after? When do I actually put it on? Like, Someone please tell me. I'm just finishing off He's Just Not That Into You. Have you guys watched that movie? It's such a true movie. I just put my watch down. It is. When I watched that movie, and at 36 obviously I've been through a few experiences in my life, and it's bang on. If you've never watched the movie, it's quite an old movie. If you've never watched it and you are single, or even if you're not single, just watch it, because it tells it how it is to a T. And it's about women at different stages, like a single woman, a married woman, or a lady that's living with her long-term partner and they're not getting married. And I'm sure all of us can relate to someone in that movie, because we're all at the stages of someone in that movie. And it's just really interesting to watch, because there's scenes in it when he's like, it's cringy. I'm like, you know, when we'll make excuses for a guy not to have called us or messaged, and oh, maybe he's busy, maybe he's doing this, maybe his dog ate the phone, or whatever that might be. And I think the movie just really sums it up. If a guy likes you, he's gonna move heaven and earth to call you. And also, one final thing before I go, I wanted to tell you guys about something which is really exciting actually. I got contacted by one of my followers called Priyanka, and she is someone that messaged me a few years ago when she was deciding what course to do at university, and we'd had a couple of email exchanges, and she's now doing her dissertation on how how influencers are, I'm getting it wrong, hold on. Okay, I'm back. So the title is Research into the Impact of Social Influencers in the Beauty Industry, which is so interesting. Like, I find it so interesting what the topic is, and she's actually going to come and meet me and interview me, so I'm really excited. I will see you guys in the next one, or next section. So mwah, good night, and I'll see you in a bit.